My name is John Skeffington. I'm CEO at 12 Panel Now, and this is a family business. I just want to show you around just a little bit. You'll see some of our stock here. We have two very large warehouses. We have over 5 million cups in stock. We got Nick over here. Say hello. Nick does a lot of our processing, deliveries, he gets all that ready. And then we have Gail, again, family business, my sister. She preps a lot of the orders. I'll take you over here a little bit. Then we have Kathy. Kathy is heading up our marketing department right now. You can see she's sending out our thank you letters to customers. Oh, and then we have Alex right here, but Alex is on with a customer. But anyhow, we have Bailey right here, who's part of our sales department and runs our Slash Medical wholesale department. And we have Dean, who runs the Buy Drug Test Cup, which is another site of ours. Basically, I think that's about it for now.